because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change. So what's up mga ka-guitar addict? For today's video, gagawa tayo ng tutorial sa kanta ng Second Hand Serenade. Amo time na siya. Amo time. Fall for you. Okay, let's go. So simulan natin sa intro. So ano bang chords sa mga intro? So we have 4 chords. 4 chords lang sa intro. So ano ang intro? Ito. Parinig ko sa inyo. So tapos noon, diretso na sa verse. So, again, balik ulit. Ulitin natin. Hinto, tapos pasok na sa intro. I'm twisting up tonight that we're not fighting. Sa isang bagsak lang. Couldn't be in this way before. No, you don't think that I am trying. No, you're wearing deep down to the core. Hold your breath. So, simulan yan sa chorus. Yung I know you're wearing thin down to the core. Yung lost part sa version, pasok na yung chorus. Hold your breath, because tonight will be the night. So ano bang mga chords sa chorus? So ang mga chords sa chorus, we have F, tapos G, tapos C, tapos A minor, F, G, C, and then A minor, F, G, tapos pag impossible to find, you're impossible, balik sa intro. Parinig ko sa inyo yung chorus. So ito, but hold your breath. Madalian lang yung parang hold your breath. Again, hold your breath, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true. Cause a girl like you's impossible to find. You're impossible. Bye sa intro. Pag hinto niyan, diretso sa verse 2. Same lang ang chord sa verse 2. So, kantahan natin. This is not what I intended. I always swore to you that I'd never fall apart. You always thought that I was stronger. I may have failed, but I love you from the start. Hanggang start yung second verse, yun yung huling part sa verse, tapos pasok chorus na naman. Hold your breath, same pa rin chorus, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true. Cause a girl like you's impossible to find. Katapos na chorus na yan, papasok na ang bridge, diba? So mga chords, A minor, F, C, tapos G, and then A minor ulit, F, tapos C, G, then A minor, then F, tapos C, tapos G, tapos F. Again, like, pasadahan natin ulit. So breathe in so deep, breathe me in, I'm yours to keep, and hold on to your words, 'cause talk is deep, and remember me tonight when you're asleep. Tapos pagkatapos ng bridge, chorus naman. Yung last part ng chorus, tag-isang bagsak lang. 'Cause tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true. 'Cause a girl like you is impossible to find. Pag sabi ng impossible to find, balik naman. Tonight will be the night. Magsa-strum ka na hanggang matapos yung chorus, tapos na ang kanta. So ngayon balik. Pagkatapos ng impossible to find. Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. To make me change my mind. I wanna live to see another day. I swear it's true. 'Cause a girl like you is impossible to find. Impossible to find. So mag-e-end ka sa C chords. Ang ending sa'yo. Ang ending mo. C. Ending nito. Kanta na to. Yun lang. Sana naintindihan nyo. Sana nasundan nyo yung kanta na Fall For You. A-mong A-mo. Okay, salamat sa panonood mga ka-guitar addict. Adios. Rock and roll.